Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, I have another mystery box. This is a mystery box from Etsy. This is a $20 mystery box. And I hope to God it is better than my Poshmark mystery box. So, if you want to see what is inside and what it's all about, and is it worth the money? Then just keep on watching. Alright, before I begin, I want to tell you a few things. If you are wondering what is on my eyes, I have these puppies right here. So if you don't know, I am moving, so I'm packing. And as I was packing towards the makeup, I also I'm going through things and kind of like decluttering. But I found these two palettes that I have not wore probably over a year, if not longer. So I have the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm like, why don't I use some of my older palettes, you know? And this is what it looks like. And if you guys can see, I never really mess with the darker colors. When I got this, I was still extremely new to makeup, and I only really went through for the lighter shades. So I really like this, and it still smells like that peach smell, you know? So I was really excited to mess around with that. And then we have the Urban Decay Moon Dust palette. Now, I didn't get this when this first came out. I got this when the Ulta had their 21 days, the 50% off. So I don't know if it was last year. So I didn't even take the thing off the mirror. So that's what she looks like, and I never used it. So today I used these two colors. I put this one down first and then this one on top, and I love it. And then I went in with a green eyeliner, and then from another palette I used blue and green mixed together for down below, and then I deepened it up with the brown in here. So that taught me a lesson to go through my older palettes and fall back in love with them again. Another thing I want to show you. So this was sent to me right here. This is from, I want to make sure I say it right, Lucidity Complex. And they canvas paintings. And now, like I said, this was sent to me. I do have a code ANN30, which will save you 30% off. I don't make anything out of it. This is not a sponsored video. I just thought it was so beautiful, I wanted to show you. Now, growing up, I loved lions and tigers, and that's what my room was. And so I got to pick out the one that I wanted, and look at this. Now, this isn't doing it justice, how beautiful this looks. I love it. It kind of looks like neon colors. It's so pretty. Now, it looks like it would be textured, but when you put your hand on it, it's not textured, but it's gorgeous. They had this one, and they also had this is a line. They had a tiger that was beautiful, but they have bridges and Statue of Liberty, so many different things that, oh, my phone's talking to me. Why does it do that when you're talking? It listens to your conversation. Anywho, I will leave everything down below if you want to check it out. I really think it's beautiful. I'm definitely going to hang this up in my room when I do move. And like I said, you can save 30% off with my code. So I'll leave everything down below. Alright, on to this little package here. Now, this is why I'm so excited. So, there is one of you family members named Sierra, who has been with me since, I want to say, before I had 5,000 subscribers. She's been with me from almost the beginning. And she started a little store, and she asked me if she can send me some things, and I'm like, absolutely. I love supporting people that have supported me. So I was really excited. And she said there was a card inside here that tells you a little bit about everything. As you can see, I don't open anything up. I do first impressions. And this was a $20 mystery box. She also has mystery boxes coming up that will be themed. There will be one since October, will be Halloween, and then she's doing a Christmas one. And she also has things on their site if you want to purchase things as well. All right, so let's open her up. So this is not a makeup, a beauty thing. This is more like a lifestyle with a lot of things in here. Could get wax melt. She did ask me what like my favorite movie was, and I told her I didn't really have a favorite movie, but then she asked me what animal, and as you guys can see, I was like, well, I love lions and tigers. Every time I say that, I think lions and tigers and bears. Remember the Wizard of Oz? All right, something in here smells amazing. All right, so here is a little card. It says, thank you. Okay, so there has her socials, which I will leave everything down below. So let me read you. This tells you a little bit about it. It says, my boxes will launch October 1st. They will be $20 plus shipping. Sold on Etsy at SELLER-SIERRASHANTELLE. I believe that's how you say it. Like I said, I'll leave everything down below. There will be only a limited amount since this is my first launch, so she's brand new to this. My mystery boxes will be only 4 to 7 items per box. Each month will be a different theme. October's is Halloween. She said, I sent you a variety of items to show what could be in them. Well, you know, because it's a mystery box. There will be different variety. Oh my God, I can't say that word. You guys know I can't speak. But all will for sure come with one max wax melt, one keychain, and one themed pop socket. In the future, I will add cups, clothings, and more goodies. I guess because she is just starting. All right, so I am definitely excited. All right, so, oh God, something in here smells good. This must be the Max, why do I want to say Maxwell's? The wax melts. And it says, Scents by Sierra. My God, something, I mean, it smells amazing. Oh, okay, so let me show you. I don't know what this scent is, but I don't know. It smells like kind of like cookies and pumpkins, but I have no idea. It smells amazing. It really, really does. So this isn't it, what I'm smelling. Is it? Unless it's maybe just all mixed with stuff, because this is a magnet right here. God, that's gorgeous. Okay, let's see. Man, I'm going to dump everything out. So these are not the wax melts. Maybe that's just her sticker that says scents, because something in here smells. No, it's not that. Something in here smells really, really good. All right, so we just have a bunch of magnets. Oh, I keep dropping stuff like this. Is a cactus. It's really, really pretty. This is a little dinosaur. That's so cute. All right, so we have a bunch of magnets. Magnets for like refrigerator or anything like that. We have a keychain. I don't know what that is. This is a skull. Oh, that's really, really pretty. Like in person, it's so much prettier. So because Halloween is coming, so she just put something in there to show like Halloween stuff. Okay. Yeah, there's something here. I know I keep repeating myself, but it smells so good. Yeah, so that is just her sticker, her logo that says Scents by Sierra. All right, and then we have like this wood pitcher. I hate to take this off because it's so pretty the way it's ribboned. Ooh, it says fall is in the air, and this is definitely handmade. It is gorgeous. Wow, that's really pretty. Like right here, the gold like reflects. Oh, that's really beautiful. I really like that. Okay. There's a lot of stuff in here for $20 because there's probably more stuff in here than my Poshmark that I paid $100 for. All right, we have this. I got ahead of myself and I started opening. I don't know why my lights are like that. Also, we have a pen here. This is really pretty. It's like nice and sparkly. I want to make sure it works, and it does work. All right. Love this. It's really, really sparkly. Okay. So then we have this right here. Oh, look, it's an A for Anne. That is gorgeous. I'm definitely, and turquoise is my favorite color. Okay, so she did ask me what my favorite colors were, and I said turquoise and black. So I love that. This is going right on my keychain. Then we have this. I like that she wraps everything up, so you know. Oh, so it's another keychain with a lion. It's a little heart. I love that too. This will go on my keychain. I don't know what it is about lions and like tigers and stuff. I love it. Okay, so This is what smells amazing. So you have 4 wax melts. Ooh. Let's see. So this is a Fruit Loop right here. Let's smell it. Oh my God, that smells just like Fruit Loops. It's just right here, and you would break it up there. Oh, that does smell good. It's like cakey, but like Fruit Loops. Oh, that really smells good. All right, so then we have pumpkin pie. Remember I told you I smelled something like pumpkin pie-ish or... Okay, so we have that. Let's open her up. Oh my God, that smells so good. That smells just like a pumpkin pie. So they're all the same color, but that smells really good. That really does. Okay, there's still 2 more. So then we have, what does this say? Freshly folded laundry. So let me smell that. I just love candles and all that stuff. Let's see. Oh, that does. Oh God, that smells so good. It smells like fabric softener. Like my Gain. I love Gain fabric softener. That's what it smells like. All right, and then we have a blueberry cheesecake. Ew. I can really go for a blueberry cheesecake right about now. All right. Oh God, that smells amazing. These really smell really, really good. All right, and then it looks like we have 2 more things. I think this is pretty good for $20. No, you didn't. Okay, so here is a pop socket. So you don't know, I have a dog named Nala who is a pit bull. And if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure that you follow me because I get a little personal. I do my nightly, I call it my nightly filter fest on stories. But I also show pictures of my dog and different little videos and stuff. And the pop socket has a pit bull and it says Pit Mom. I love this. I really like it. It has like some like glitter, like holographic. Oh my God, I love that. That's probably one of my favorite things. All right, so let's open last but not least. Oh, and some turquoise, and it's like clear with like glitter earrings. And I will wear this. I definitely will because you guys know I always say that I like bigger earrings, and so I'll definitely wear these because I wear a lot of black shirts because black goes with my backdrops and it doesn't clash. So that's why on my videos I'm always wearing like a black shirt. All right, so let's recap everything. Let me make sure that is everything. Oh no, there was one more thing in here. I was wrong. Okay, so let's open her up. Okay, so these are the hair clips. All right. Right here. I don't want to take it out. So we have some hair clips. All right, so let's recap really quick what we got. So we have some hair clips. Alrighty. We have 4. I want to say Maxwell's wax mount. So we have 4 of them right here. I love wax mounts. Okay. I have a keychain with the letter A, which I like that she asks us a lot of questions. That way she can kind of customize your mystery box. We have a pop socket that says Pit Mom. I really think this is my favorite thing. Okay, we have a bunch of magnets, and there is a lot. And I actually really like magnets. Oh my God, I'm throwing things. Because I keep a lot of pictures and stuff on my refrigerator. So I'll definitely use these as well. We have a skull for Halloween, a keychain. What else? What else? We have a little heart with a lion keychain. Love that too. And we have, this is, like I said, handmade. It says fall is in the air. Oh, how can I forget? Because I have like the tissue paper everywhere. And we have a pen. This is really, really pretty, this pen. I really like that pen. I'm putting this right in my pocketbook. This was handmade too, you can tell. All right, so that is everything. I think it's really, really good for $20. I mean, I think the wax wax melts alone, to get 4 of them right there, was the $20. And I think it's really cute that she does handmade things. And so everything will launch October 1st. And like I said, I'll leave everything down below. And for her first mystery box, I think you did a really good job. It was definitely better than my Poshmark, the one for $100. I'll leave that down below if you want to check that out. That was a hot mess right there. All right, guys, that is everything. Thank you, Sierra, for sending this to me. I truly appreciate all your support you have gave me through the years. So thank you so, so much. And that is everything, guys. If you like mystery boxes, subscription boxes, hauls, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love for you to join our family. Please give this video a like. It really does help me out, and it helps YouTube kind of promote my videos a little bit more. And don't forget to turn the post notification bell on. Make sure that you double tap it and have it on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. And that is everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I think this was pretty good for $20. Not bad, not bad.